Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful real estate Bootstrap 5 HTML responsive template with add property and login pages as well. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So first, I will show you the complete homepage look. See friends, the beautiful real estate e-commerce come admin dashboard template. See guys, now scroll to top. You will see the first top section. See guys, here is login and registration pages as well. Login and register toggle as well. See, you can register as normal agent and agency as well. Back to login as well. Back to home page and the beautiful the top slider section. See friends, just beautiful. And scroll below, find your home. Beautiful advanced search section. See, just brilliant. Scroll below, feature properties. See guys, with carousel. And on click you will go single property page. See guys, the beautiful single property page as well, the sidebar search and the property details as well, like property name, pricing, rent, address, property image, description, condition, properties, and property video, and the comments from property as well, and the tag as well. Back to home page, scroll down the services. See guys, app as well, app section of services, to carousel, newly added property sequence, the info for our development team, our agents section with carousel, latest news section with carousel, our partners, and the beautiful footer as well. Scroll to top, and guys, you'll get the pages like add property as well. See, add property page. See, next, the step from next to open, and next as well. See, this is add property page, and also you will get the my account pages as well. See friends, the my account personal profile details page, toggle, agency profile, my property which I have added, add new, change password and log out, detect login page, and also you will get the properties page as well. See, so guys, see the beautiful, and back to home page, and I will show you its responsiveness. So friends, like I said, it's fully responsive, so no need to worry about responsiveness. See, for iPhone, see the toggle nav as well, and we work for all the devices. Let me show you. So guys, like I said, it's fully responsive. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. See, guys, also full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis. And friends, also on my blog, you will get multiple free things regarding Angular, React.js, Vue, Laravel, WordPress, and thousands of free admin dashboard as well. See, and guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say, please subscribe my channel and please support me. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.